suspension bridge and a couple of the shorter trails, and loved it. So beautiful.
Unreal, especially with, you know, good weather on the day. Minimal clouds, sun's out, so it was a real treat.
So now I'm back on the road, plan to feel good till I go home. But it's a road trip, so it starts and when you get home it stops. I'm coming down, I'm driving down, I'm coming down, I'm driving down again. I'm coming down, I'm driving down, I'm coming down.
So we are at the Trainwreck Park. We're on the Trainwreck Trailhead in Whistler. It took us about 2 to 3 k's to get here depending on where you park, but it's super cool because there are these trains that were derailed back in the 1900s.
It's a road trip, and it wouldn't be if it never stops.
Good morning, everybody.
After our buggy ride yesterday, we went to Dublin Gate for dinner in Whistler, and then we finished up quite late, so we just found a free campsite just 11k out of town and spent the night there. And this morning we have a couple of stops on our journey and we have a big drive ahead of us. Woo! So we've stopped at Narran Falls this morning. We cooked up brekkie in the parking lot and we have just gone and seen the waterfall. It is beautiful. It is one of the best ones I think we've seen so far.
So far,
I love it.
Hey, what are you scheming today? You plan on leaving today. Why don't you just stay and make the most of this place? Are you craving some change?
We are just up at the Seton Lake viewpoint. We're just driving along Duffy Lake Road, and if you stop just before the Horseshoe Bend, there's a little pull off, and if you cross the road and go up the trailhead, you get up to this beautiful view of Seton Lake and the road that twists around. It's so nice. The walk up only took us 9 minutes. It was 0.58 of a kilometre, so totally worth it. There's no signage though, so you need to know what you're looking for.
In my palms.
So we had about a 6-hour drive today, and we were just going to spend the whole day doing it, take our time.
Navigator was sleeping.
It was pretty chill. Like, we thought it would just be main highways all the way from Whistler to Clearwater. I had a little nap and we were expecting to be in Kamloops a little while ago, so we just checked the navigation and we've been driving the wrong way for an hour and a half.